Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
If I don't follow a specific scholar but follow you, will I be sinful?
Well, the essence and the default is that laymen follow scholars. And I'm not a scholar. However, whatever I convey to you is taken from Bin Baz, Ibn Uthaymeen, and Albani 99.99%. So, inshallah, by following what I say, and you can always test me or cross-reference with the real scholars of Bin Baz, Bin Uthaymeen, and Sheikh Al-Albani, and if you find that it complies with what they had said, then you are in the safe. Unfortunately, today, it is not that feasible to tell people, no, you have to follow a real scholar and abide by what he say, because they're not available or they don't have the platforms we have. Allah Azza wa Jal has blessed us and tested us with social media, with these TV programs, with being a celebrity, people calling us for conferences and lectures. And alhamdulillah, Allah has granted us that the people trust us. So it's a huge responsibility. I always say that I'm not a scholar, don't follow me. But people keep on coming and saying, Sheikh, we can't get hold of anyone else. In this case, I would say due to necessity, yes, you will not be sinful with the grace of Allah. And I hope you're not sinful because you are following someone who claims, and I hope that the test of time has proven that he doesn't speak out of his own whims and desires. Rather, the vast majority, nobody's perfect. The vast majority of what he says comes from the real trusted scholars, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Of course, I will be waiting for your hate mail because I know that a lot of people don't agree with what I say. Who cares?